Welcome to a brand new video from DaveTech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the Drama Player application on your Android TV, your TV box, or a Google TV. This method will use the code and it will work on any device running an Android operating system. So I want you to head on to your apps, click on your download application to get in. But if you do not have the download application already installed, check the link in the description and I'll link a video showing you exactly how to download this application to your Android TV. When you're in the application, go to Home and you'll be given this dialog box to put in a code. This is the code method and the code for the Drama Player is 9176742. Verify this code and make sure it is correct. When sure, click on the Go button. You'll be redirected to a site where you spend 5 seconds waiting. Be patient and allow these 5 seconds to pass. After this, you'll be redirected to the media website, mediafire.com. The download will begin automatically as you see here, and since it has started, be patient for it to complete. When done, click on the install button and you're going to install this application into your Android TV. After installation, you could choose to delete the download package file and that will save space on your Android TV, TV box, or a Google TV. Now that this application is going to be completely installed in your TV, go back to Home, go to Apps and enjoy your application. That's been it for this tutorial. Tune in, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.